Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, October 2nd. You can see yet another rainy day on Monday. And if we put the time lapse in motion, you can see a pretty soggy day out there with many areas now picking up between 1 to 2.5 inches of rain here over the last couple of days. And we have met our target zone. And again, we'll have showers that'll pretty much come to an end here later today from west to east. It'll be somewhat dry right down through Wednesday, but then more rain and thunderstorms as a warm front approaches will come into the area, and we'll see temperatures on Wednesday maybe in the mid-70s to around 80, and some of those storms could be on the strong side, but right now we expect mainly some locally heavy rains from that system, and then we'll dry out a little bit, and then yet another system will come in for late Friday or in Saturday through the weekend, and we could get more substantial rain at that time as well. Our normal high is 67, our normal low is 43, and you can see on this date back in 15 years ago we had a record low of 29 degrees, and we also picked up a trace of snow on this day 15 years ago. As far as yesterday, we had a high of 53.1, a low of 44, and our 96 hundredths of an inch was about a quarter of an inch away from a record rainfall for the date, and we're now at 1.21 for the storm. Month we're at 96 and we're up to 25.26 inches so far for the year, and September again ended at 3.5 degrees above normal. Sunrise this morning at 7:37. It'll set tonight at 7:17, although you probably won't see it. And if we look at conditions around the area this morning, you can see across southeast lower Michigan temperatures still quite mild, low to mid 60s. Cooler up to the north, and our temperatures in mainly the low 50s as you get to the northwestern areas, with Lakeview, the cold spot, at 51.4. And you can see rain since midnight, especially across the central areas of lower Michigan. And you can see some of these storm totals. Clarksville is almost at 2.5 inches for the storm. Middleton 1.75 inches. And Henderson, they've got more rain. We'll show you that in just a moment, as their system is up. It's just not able to transfer to the internet, and we're going to try to swap out computers later today. And you can see some of the other rainfall since midnight in many areas, over an inch of rain so far for the storm. You can see 2.48 inches at Clarksville, 2.13 at Lansing, and again a lot of rainfall across the area. And you can see now we've met our target zone. 1.2 to 1.6 forecasted. We're at 1.31, and we still have to add Henderson's in there, so that'll probably take it up to about 1.4 or so far for the 14 station average. On the satellite view, you can see mostly showers and thunderstorms now occurring across far southeast lower Michigan into southwest Ontario, where their totals will certainly go up since the time I took those this morning. And again, we'll see some drying, although we do have some areas of clouds that have showed some development that'll probably bring us some light rain and drizzle this morning, but eventually through the day we should begin to dry out. And right now Wednesday doesn't look half bad, with mainly cloudy skies, maybe a peak of sunshine. It'll be warm and more humid though, and then the thunderstorms will come in as that warm air and a cold front come through the area. You can see on radar this morning those areas of showers and thunderstorms, with some lighter precipitation now breaking out across the western areas. And again, it'll be a pretty damp, soggy morning. We'll see a little bit of fog and drizzle and some light rain here through much of the morning into the afternoon. But eventually, again, the drier air will be coming in from the northwest. As far as the weather map this morning, you can see the cold front that should push the rain off to the east now with the low pressure system across the thumb area. And again, that'll continue to move off to the northeast, but already we're looking at energy that's going to force this system back to the north as a warm front. You can see that on tomorrow morning's weather map with strong storms off to our west. Again, those storms and rain will reach our area by late in the day, but more likely tomorrow night. And then finally by Thursday, with the cold front coming through, that should end the precipitation for a little while, but then again we'll see more energy that's going to come in from the west, and it's going to push warmer air back into the area by the weekend. In fact, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we'll see temperatures around 70 to 75, if not a little bit warmer than that. So a pretty mild pattern coming up once we get past this cool rain for today. As far as how much rain over the next 7 days, you can see the heaviest rainfall with the next couple of systems will be off to the north, but still plenty more rainfall expected across the entire MAC and LAC areas. And again, Newaygo, Clarksville, places like that, Lakeview, Breckenridge, and Middleton, looks like you'll see the most rain going forward from this point through the weekend. As far as the forecast goes today, temperatures holding steady into the low 60s after lows in the mid to upper 50s, and then we'll see that surge of warmth come in for tomorrow with the humid conditions. Thunderstorms and a cold front will drop us down into the 60s for Thursday, and then we'll see cool day on Friday with some showers moving in out ahead of a warm front that'll then resurge our temperatures back up into the 70s with thunderstorms on Saturday. So again, kind of an up and down roller coaster ride here over the next 5 days, but certainly a wet pattern indeed. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.